Hello and welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedron. The Nomad artist Monger Honorable over the weekend released his sophomore album, Shine Your Light. The 12-track digital album comes 8 years after Bud from Mabon. He shared with E Prime the general mood of the new album.
The feel of the album is, as the title says, Shine Your Light. We try to stay up-tempo and positive on every track. We try to stay clean on every track.
Monger treated fans online to an exclusive preview of the songs at the 21st Happilus Digital Distribution Sip and Stream event last Friday.
Every ghetto you want get rich now, like right now this year. With visas and permits to fly out a year. The goal is like no less than 9 mils a year. Me need it to take care of Sky and Nazir. Cause without traffic guide the way, nothing could happen. Almighty Father, follow the instruction. It goes like this. The place up on curfew and everybody gone home. And now no yard outside postpone. Virus I give out.
Shine Your Light sees Monger as the executive producer and to give fans a look at the artist's troubled past and his prophetic change. The album features some familiar songs like Prayer, with inspirational songs like the title track and You Alone, plus a collaboration with TJ on Mind Pon the Millions.
For vocal collaborations, there was only one. For the most part, the collaborative efforts were in production.
Shine Your Light comes from Munger's Hilltop Records in collaboration with Portmore Society, Grand One and Somatic to name a few, and boasts top Jamaican producers including Luigi Society, Wyrush Music, Nigel Staff and INGP. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedron. Thank you for watching.